Hello Year 9, this is Miss Bucket, and what I'm going to do is just have a quick chat with you about why I think choosing history is the right option for you. So we start our 2-year course with an investigation into the Jack the Ripper murders. Now, the reason there's a big black circle on this man's face is that the police never found out who he was. So our investigation is, why didn't the police stop or even find Jack the Ripper? So it's an interpretational investigation whereby you study different arguments and opinions about where the police went wrong or what was stopping them. So this is Unit 4 and it's all about becoming an historian. Our next topic is all about superbugs and the fight of mankind. Superbugs were around then. This is an artistic response to 1348 and the Black Death. Superbugs are around now. We know about this. It's a bit more than that as well. So what we're looking at is the study of humans' response to pathogens, to other diseases. What we're going to be looking at is a period of time which is from the medieval medicine period to germ theory. And then we move on to things like face transplants, which have only been allowed to happen because of anaesthetics. Who introduced anaesthetics? Who tested anaesthetics? And we're also going to look at x-rays and more. Okay, so that's Unit 3 and it's worth 30% of your total grade. We know who this man is. It's Hitler. And we are going to be looking not at him more specifically, but when extremists take over a country. What you'll do if you choose history is you will get to find out how the Nazis achieved this. Because just like those people storming Capitol Hill last week, the Nazis were a laughed at, mocked, small minority of far-right extremists. And this is what happened when they got in. This is a depth study into how the German people were duped into voting for the Nazis. As you've seen in those pictures that we've just looked at, it ended in death, violence, terror and destruction. So this is Unit 2 of our GCSE and it's worth 25% of your total grade. Now, the next topic that we study is another in-depth topic, and this is to do with how Britain entered and recovered from World War II. We look at propaganda, photography. We also look at causes. We look at the reasons why Britain entered and survived this war. Why choose history? You will develop fabulous skills that will help you navigate our complex world. You will see the tools used by the people in power today to manipulate you. Because of the skills, we do problem solving, constructing arguments and investigation. You're also going to analyse information and interpretations of events and people. And because basically myself, Miss Bucket and Mr. Edwards are passionate about the subject and will guide you through this exam course. But there's another reason. These are the kind of things that you can enter into with your history GCSE And what about this? You could actually become a history celebrity with a successful career in the media. Why is that? Because history is on the TV, it's on Netflix, it's on social media. People like to know about history. And finally, because history never stops. Is this another small group of extremists who are rising up and potentially could take over a country? That's just one question to consider. Bye.